So there's nothing better than at the end of the day's trail, stringing up and getting and relaxing in your hammock. But if you don't have a bug net, it's not going to be very relaxing. It's actually going to be very irritating. So stick around, we're going to show you a couple of really cool, budget-friendly hammock bug nets from AYAMAYA. £1. So 1.02 1 pound. So it comes with a ridge line organizer pouch. It's pretty cool. Comes with 2 metal JPEG stakes. Comes with 2 guy lines. And this is going to be the ridge line that the bug net will hang from. So since we already have a ridge line on this particular hammock, we're just going to go ahead and use that one. So we're just going to feed the hammock through the very far end piece, and then we'll feed it through the other end here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and reattach our hammock. So now we just got to feed the organizer through this hole. That way it'll be on the inside of the bug net. Just lift up the hammock, feed it through the hole. So now there's a drawstring here at both ends of the bug net. Just gonna tighten that up around. Keeps the insects and bugs from coming in from the end. So we're gonna do that on both sides. Okay, so let's take a look at the ends of this bug net where it goes around, where it closes in around the end. So look how we're past the end of the hammock all the way to the carabiner. Same over here. So this particular hammock is a Hammock brand hammock, and it is a 10-foot hammock. So you see how much extra room we have on the ends. These bug nets will work on up to 11-foot hammocks, also double hammocks. So if you like that double hammock to get your a good diagonal lay in your hammock, you'll be able to do it with this bug net. Alright, so we have a 2-way zipper for our bug net. It goes all the way to the attached stuff sack, and then it goes up. And here's what I like about it is it goes over. It's going to give you a little extra room, shoulder room, when you get in your hammock. So you do have a grab tab on the outside and inside. And you got a little pocket organizer up here. Pretty cool. Okay, so at the head end of the bug net there is a tab right here, this is a guy outline tab, and there's one on each side. This just kind of pulls the net away from your head and your shoulders area. So you just use the guy line, and what I like to do is, so this is the end where the tensioner buckle is at. So that goes down there where the stake is. So what I like to do is take this end, just loop it right here, and go in through this loop. So just do that, and then we just pull the line through here. That's a pretty easy way of attaching your guy line to your bug net there. So notice the reinforced material right here. That's pretty thick material. Just sewn in. So just extra durability there when you guy this out. So now we can stake this out. I got the other side put in. So we can kind of adjust this if we want it to go out far, or I like to go out far enough just to where it helps me, and then I still have room for adjustment. But if I go out too far, I'm liable to trip over it as I'm walking around the campsite. So try not to go out too far from the bug net. So what we do is we just take the bottom of the tensioner buckle where the knot is, and we just take this loop right here, and we're just going to put the J-peg ground stake just like that. And now we're just going to stake it in. Okay, so we've got a ground stake in. What I do, I just kind of come about 45-degree angle back from the setup there, and that'll kind of keep it pulled back outwards and then back this way. So we need to get tension on this line, which probably need to get a little bit more tension. Just a little bit more, not much. So we just grab the buckle and just simply slide it forward. It doesn't have to be real tight, just enough to give it form, and that's all we need. That just gives us more room around our head area here. All right, so our second bug net, we've got it on the hammock already. The other hammock, I had a ridge line attached to it already, and that's kind of what we're using to lock the bug net up. So I don't have a ridge line for this one, so we're gonna have to use the cordage that's included with the bug net. Okay, so for the second one, I'm using the included ridge line. And what I did to make this a lot easier is I got a couple of carabiners that I like to keep in my backpack just for extra, just in case. So I just did a loop knot here. Went around the tree, same place where my suspension strap is, and just buckled off to carabiner here. So it goes across, and I've got the other end attached to a carabiner. And I just looped around the tree and then clipped it back on itself. So that gives the bug net locked. That works really well. Like I said, it doesn't have to be real tight, just to give you off what you need. So this bug net has the zipper straight up and down. So that other one, remember, it kind of contours off to the side. So just two different styles here, but they both do the same job. And other than the two zippers being different, it's pretty much the same exact bug net. Okay, so they give you two of these ridge line cordage for each hammock bug net. So what you have, why you have two of them is the first one is going to be on the outside of the bug net, so you can clip your bug net to it. So it gives your bug net loft. The second one is going to attach, and it's going to run through the bug net, and it's going to have your storage pouch on it. But that's what the extra one is for, to run it on the inside, so you can have your storage pouch. So this one has a hook in here, so you can attach your flashlight, your headlamp or whatever just to give you light. So just like the other bug net, it comes with 2 guy lines and 2 metal JPEG stakes. Straight zipper, or double zipper, just makes it easy to get in and out. And it has a pull tab on both sides, just like the other one does.